Black Star Liners coming. Black Star Liners coming. Why? Hear me now. 7 miles of Black Star Liners coming in the harbor. The 7 miles of the Black Star Liners. You don't know. Love you know. Black Star Liners coming. Black Star Liners coming. Why? Hear me now. 7 miles of the Black Star Liners coming in the harbor. 7 miles of the Black Star Liners coming in the harbor. I can see them coming. I can see hydrants running. I can hear the elders saying, these are the days for which we've been praying. I'm saying, 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in. I don't know. Set it. Black Star Line is coming. Black Star Line is coming. Why? Hear me again. 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in the harbor. 7 miles of the Black Star Line coming in the harbor. I can see them coming. I can see hydrants running. I can hear the elders saying, these are the days for which we've been praying. I'm saying, 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in the harbor. 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in the harbor. It's repatriation, black liberation. Say the time has come, black man, we're going home. Cause 7 miles of the Black Star Line coming in the harbor. 7 miles of the Black Star Line coming in the harbor.
Guess I have wasted my time trying to deal with mankind. Oh my Lord, will it take us in the back of my mind? Shouldn't have been around world just to leave this world behind. Oh Lord, hey. 7 miles of the Black Star Line coming in the harbor. 7 miles of the Black Star Line coming in the harbor. Hear the song. Marcus Garvey told us the freedom is a must. Told us that the Black Star Line coming one day for us. And 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in the harbor. 7 miles of the Black Star Line coming in the harbor. The 7 miles of Black Star Line. 7 miles of Black Star Line. Alright. So yes, look at now. You know see how this West get desolate, and the wicked them confused and perplexed. Stop it! My God. Going night again, Elder. Black Star Line is coming. Why? Black Star Line is coming. Tell them again, not afraid. 7 miles of the Black Star Liners coming in the harbor. 7 miles of the Black Star Liners coming in the harbor. I can see them coming. Yes, I can see hydrants running. I can hear the elders saying, these are the days for which we've been praying. Tell them, you know see how this West get desolate, and the wicked them confused and perplexed. Shall visit them in a them own craftiness, like the tower be a bell them wreck. Them reap corruption to them sworn at the flesh. Them feel like them also wise and them got a dirty appetite, so them yam filthiness. Hey Luciano, burn them. So give me a one-way ticket. Me going back to Africa to live it. Dog in a Babylon I suffer like dog. One go back over yard.
Wallet. The place here shock, you know. Shock, yeah.
But we hotter than them, shock.
It's shock.
Hotter than that.
All right, it's shock, but I tell you, it's shock now. While ago. One more time, So last year, I know. How you feeling, massive? 7 miles of black stone.
Coming in the harbor. Hey, look at that, Mr. You know. Marcus Garvey told us freedom is a must. Told us that the Black Star Line is coming one day for us. The 7 miles of the Black Star Line is coming in the harbor.
A long time me dey and me a watch it. Me see no false preachers, them teachers and prophets. Babylon a spread all them dirty epidemic, but the mental disease Rasta now catch it. Hey man, say go black people and replenish. Yes, and if a blessing Rastafari I go send it. Action I go take and this a one I go just take. We free the city when Babylon lock it.
But where Corona come from, me no know, but it don't ya kill the nation. I miss where Corona come from, me no know, but it don't ya kill the black man. It's a biological warfare inoculation, a strategy to control the population. But what it have happen in that sweet Jamland, where rap pack of people and the all black woman. Every youth in a baby, the evil infant, go down in a grave and everybody start. Are you feeling? Are you feeling? Well then, say give me a one-way ticket. Me going back to Africa to live it. In a Babylon I suffer like dog. Won't go back on my God. Say give me a one-way ticket. Me going back to Africa to live it. Down in a Babylon I suffer like dog. Won't go back on my God. Say Africa, me well want come home. Free up Ethiopia, Paul from Rome. Africa, me well want come home. Come ball and me then me go fling rock stone. Where Ebola come from, me no know, but he don't ya a king the black man.